Good day everyone, I am James Bernal Galigo, BS 4A. Now I will be discussing the crisis management plan of flood. So flood is an overflow of water that submerge land, causing damage and disruption to the environment, infrastructure, and human settlements. Flood can occur due to various natural or human-induced factors. So ang flood ay kadalasan natin naranasan sa tuwing mayroong bagyo sa atin at kapag malakas ang ulan, lalo na kapag ang ating lugar ay mababa, kaya nagkakaroon agad ng flood. And now, let's proceed the preparation of flood. So first is identify flood-prone areas and vulnerable populations. Second is develop a flood warning system and emergency communication protocols. Third is create evacuation routes and assembly points. Four is to conduct regular flood drills and training exercises. Next is review and update insurance policies and emergency funding. And the last is to establish partnership with emergency service, local authorities, and stakeholders. And the second plans for flood is response. First is to activate the crisis management team and emergency operations center. Second is to monitor weather updates and flood warnings. Third is to evacuate people from flood areas to safe zones. And next is to provide emergency assistance, food, water, shelter, medical aid. And next, assess the damage and prioritize response efforts. And the last is to communicate with psychological support and counseling services. And the third plans of flood is recovery. So first is conduct damage assessments and needs analysis. Second is to provide relief and support services, food, water, shelter. Next is restore essential services, power, water, communication. The next is support economic recovery and rebuilding efforts. The next is review and improve the crisis management plan. And the last is to provide psychological support and counseling services. So the last is additional resources. First is National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council or NDRRMC guidelines. So itong team ay isa sa ating tumutulong lalo na kapag nandyan na tayo or binahaan na tayo, sila agad ang nagre-responde sa atin upang tulungan tayo. Susunod naman ay Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomic Service Administration o PAGASA flood warnings. So sila naman ang nagbibigay sa atin ng update upang makapaghanda tayo lalo na kapag may paparating na bagyo. So dahil sa tulong nito ay nakakapaghanda tayo mag-imbak ng mga pagkain at mag-ready ng ating first aid kit. At yun lang po, maraming salamat.